guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm back with another video. And this video is going to get excited soon enough. Today I'm back and I'm going to make another video about Rubik's Cube. And if you ask, wait, haven't you made that before? Yeah, if you want to watch, you can click right here. Right here. Yep, just right here. Okay? See it. Today I'm going to attempt something really crazy with Rubik's Cube. I'm going to attempt stack them up and build a tower of Rubik's Cube. Since my last video, my Rubik's Cube collection has been growing more and more, so now it's a lot exciting. I'm gonna stack them up and see how high can it go. So I'm gonna bring my Rubik's Cube, and don't be surprised when you see a box of them. Ready? This is my Rubik's Cube. In this box, it's all my Rubik's Cube. Look at this. I'm just gonna pour it out. As I told you guys, my Rubik's Cube collection has been growing more and more, and now it's a giant box of just colorful cubes. I'm gonna pour it out. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I love them so much. I'm not gonna pour. Okay, 1, 2, 3. No. Whoa. So this is what is inside this giant box. So that's a lot, and hopefully I'm gonna build an amazing tower. Let's get started. We're gonna build the tower right here. So my strategy is to stack up the bigger one under and the smaller one on top. Oh snap! No, you're not gonna fall. Ah, come back. It's gonna fall. No, they're not falling anywhere. Okay. Now it's kind of stable. Not really. It's gonna fall anytime. So I'm gonna count how many cubes there are right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. That is a tower of 23 cubes. So now it's 25. This is actually taller than me, like look. I know, like this is crazy. No. There's still a lot of cubes here, and I'm not gonna stop here. So I'm gonna put the camera this way because it's getting tall and I wanna see you guys that this is not fake. padlocked. No. Okay. No, no, no. Okay, I'm just gonna let it. No. No. Oh, let's go. Ouch. It's gonna collapse and then. Oh. It stayed. Oh. Okay, now my hair is down. The rubber band is gone. Oh my. Oh. Okay, I'm not gonna let that happen again.
Montage time!